Hello, this is Junhan from Group E2. Today I'll be going through my project, the Smart Window Opener. So I'll be talking about my agenda, which are the things that I'm going to go through about my project. Is the story of the project, the objective of my project, the concept of my project, and the development of my project. As well as you get to see a finalized circuit photo and the challenges I faces in this project. So first thing is the project story and the main reason why I thought of this project is because people at home, like elderlies, they do not have the strength to open a window. Some people have trouble opening the windows fully, and like myself, who are lazy to open the window. So this will lead to a lack of fresh air, and the project is to help to improve the indoor air quality. So the main objective of my project is to solve people's issue like laziness or people who do not even open their window for fresh air. Uh, by doing this project, the windows will actually automatically open the windows through the IR sensor to sense movement or detection, and then the servo motor to open and close the window. My concept of my project is that the IR sensor automatically sense movement or objects. If it detects anything, the motor will then open or close the window so that the user will not have to physically open or close the window. So these are the components I've used: Arduino board, a breadboard, a buzzer, a red LED, and the two main components being the servo motor and the IR sensor. So the development of my project, the first week, I test each components with the given codes on my notes to make sure they are all working. And then the second week, I connect all the components together and add the necessary codes to have the components work together to get my desired outcome. And the last week, I did preparation for video and presentation. So this is my flow chart. At the start, the board, the motor, IR sensor, and buzzer, as well as LED, will all be on. And then the motor will be turned to their original degree, which is 0 and 180. So if the IR sensor detected more than or equal to 1, it will either define open window or close the window. So if it's open window, and if IR sensor is less than or equal to 0, the buzzer will on, the LED will on, and the motor will turn to 90 degrees to open the window. And then it will sleep for 1 second, and then the buzzer and LED will off, the motor will stop moving, and it will stop, and then you'll go back to the loop. That's the same thing as for the closed window too. And this is my source code that I've done from this project. This is a final size circuit photo. This is the physical photo of my circuit, and this is the better visualized version of my circuit through Tinkercad. The challenges I face is troubleshooting codes and making the IR sensor to work. So at the first week, I talk about the making each components to work, but the IR sensor is always faulty for me after I connect the components together. So I had to do troubleshooting codes back and forth till my IR sensor finally came to work. Thank you very much. This is the presentation I have for my project.